Beneath the waves, a legend lies waiting to be found.
Target acquired. Proceeding with closer inspection.
It's undeniably the F-66, a remarkable, poignant sight.
Decades of oceans in brass have etched a new history.
Laser mapping provides crucial data for our recovery plan.
Structural integrity compromised. Recovery will be complex.
All teams, secure your stations. We commence the lift.
Cable secured. Checking all connections for integrity.
Depth decreasing. Tension within safe parameters.
Rising from its watery grave, the Raptor begins its journey home.
She's breached. Maintain steady ascent.
Incredible. A true testament to its original design.
All chains taut. She's not going anywhere.
From the depths, a new chapter begins under the setting sun.
Barge is approaching berth 2. Prepare for offload.
Slow and steady. Almost there.
Within these walls, history will be meticulously rebuilt.
Corrosion is extensive. We'll start with a thorough wash.
A glimpse of its former glory. A star slowly resurfaces.
The augmented reality overlay pinpoints critical structural fatigue.
These original schematics are vital for understanding the load-bearing points.
Microfractures are extensive here. Requires careful repair.
Tagging complete. Now we prioritize the critical replacements.
Every angle, every detail.
This record is invaluable.
We'll begin with the wing spars, then move to the fuselage sections.
First one's always the hardest. This begins the true work.
Environmental control is paramount for the avionics.
All right, carefully now, mind the internal connections. Part number 347, hydraulic actuator. Documenting condition.
A personal artifact. This tells us more than just metallurgy. Understanding the corrosion type is key to effective treatment. Humidity and temperature must be absolutely stable for these components. Every contour, every imperfection, captured for the digital twin.
Phase 1, disassembly. Estimated completion, 6 weeks.
Each component meticulously removed, documented, and prepared.
Hold steady. Just a few more inches to clear the mounts. Maintain alignment. We don't want any unnecessary stress.
Part of the machine, now open to the air once more.
Each component must be individually assessed for fatigue.
Contaminated fluid must be handled with utmost care.
Each wire, each connection. No detail can be overlooked. Each pylon, a complex interface. Disassembly requires absolute precision.
Remarkably intact, but the internal contamination is significant. All safety pins engaged. Proceed with extraction.
A true time capsule. These circuits represent an era.
Stripping away decades of decay, revealing the true form beneath.
The electrochemical process is effectively reversing decades of oxidation. Ultrasonic waves reach where brushes cannot, ensuring absolute purity. This steam cuts through decades of hardened grease. Microscopic analysis reveals the true extent of material fatigue. The X-ray penetrates, revealing internal flaws invisible to the eye.
Capturing every curve, every dimension. This is its digital resurrection.
Rebuilding this component digitally is the first step to physical fabrication.
Precision engineering at its finest. A perfect match for the original. 3D printing allows us to recreate geometries impossible with traditional methods.
Carbon fiber offers superior strength to weight, essential for stealth aircraft.
Every millimeter matters. No off-the-shelf part will suffice here.
Deciphering these old schematics is like solving a puzzle.
Bridging 6 decades of technology seamlessly.
New seals, fresh fluid. This actuator will function like new. A perfect press fit. Zero tolerance for movement.
Fusing metal at an atomic level, restoring original strength.
Stress relieving is crucial to prevent future fatigue. Every tolerance verified. No room for error in aerospace. Clean to perfection. Each part ready for its second life. Even the smallest imperfection can lead to catastrophic failure. The heart of the engine, exposed. A symphony of precision engineering. This ceramic coating will withstand extreme temperatures, just like new.
Optimal fuel atomization is vital for engine performance.
Perfect balance prevents destructive vibrations at high RPMs.
Each blade precisely torqued. No room for error.
A perfect seal is paramount for containing the immense heat and pressure.
Enhanced efficiency and reliability, without compromising authenticity.
This section handles incredible forces. Every detail must be perfect. Digital precision for an analog masterpiece. The best of both worlds.
All systems nominal, ready for initial ignition sequence.
Ignition. She lives. A beautiful, powerful roar.
All parameters nominal. Thrust output exceeds expectations.
The frame, rebuilt stronger than before. A testament to resilience.
Every bulkhead perfectly aligned, restoring the aircraft's strength.
Thousands of rivets, each a tiny bond, restoring the aircraft's skin.
This overlay provides unmatched strength where it's needed most. Every line, every connection, precisely routed for flawless operation.
The nervous system of the aircraft, meticulously reconnected.
Securing the brains of the aircraft, protected from all extremes.
Every movement must be perfectly synchronized. This is precision flight. Proper nitrogen pressure ensures a smooth landing every time.
Stopping power is as crucial as flight. No compromise here.
Pressure holding steady. No leaks detected. Excellent.
Maintaining a breathable, stable environment at altitude is paramount. Crystal clear communication, essential for any mission. Revealing the past, preparing for a new future. Bringing light back to the cockpit, one dial at a time. Seamlessly blending cutting-edge data with classic design. A pilot's dream.
This seat offers a second chance. No compromise on its integrity.
These controls are the pilot's extension. They must feel perfect. Perfect clarity. The pilot will have an unimpeded view. Comfort and safety, faithfully recreated to original specifications. Critical flight data, projected directly into the pilot's line of sight.
Wings incoming. Prepare the fuselage for mating.
Zero deviation. This alignment is absolutely critical. The robotic arm ensures perfect, repeatable accuracy. Hundreds of bolts, each torqued to perfection, binding wing to fuselage.
Pressure stable. Maintaining perfect level for the final connection.
Perfect fit. This is precision engineering.
Slow and steady. The empennage is crucial for stability.
Every bolt secured. No compromise on flight stability.
A heart of the beast, reconnected. Ready to power flight.
Landing gear, ready to bear the weight, retracting with perfect grace.
Power flowing cleanly.
The aircraft is coming alive.
Pressure holding steady. The hydraulic system is robust. Full range of motion, perfectly responsive.
She's ready to fly.
Repeated cycles confirm flawless operation. Ready for flight. Flow is consistent, no obstructions. Fuel delivery is perfect.
The systems are online. She's ready to communicate.
Ground control, this is Raptor 1. Radio check, over.
GPS lock confirmed. Global positioning is flawless.
Warning cycle, then clear. A beautiful, reassuring sequence.
Fire suppression armed. Ejection seat pins verified. All green.
Airflow is optimal. The cockpit environment is perfectly controlled. Every inch must be flawless. The paint finish depends on it.
A perfect base for the final colors. This is where the magic begins.
The original colors, faithfully restored. A piece of history reborn.
This clear coat protects, enhances, and makes the colors truly pop.
Controlled heat ensures the paint cures perfectly, hardening for longevity.
The mark of its nation, proudly returned to its place.
Bringing out the lines, giving it a sense of power and realism.
A mirror finish. She's ready for her grand reveal. From the shadows into the light, a legend reborn.
External power connected. Ready for systems check. Fuel check, avionics armed, flight controls free and clear.
Engine 1 spooling. Ignition confirmed. Power stable.
Full power. All systems green. She's breathing fire. Clear to taxi. Follow the lead in line, Raptor 1.
Brakes firm and responsive. All systems nominal.
Rotation speed feels perfect. She's eager to fly.
Controls free and responsive. Ready for takeoff.
Everything's secure. All clear for flight, Raptor 1.
Rotation. We have liftoff. She flies again.
Gear up and locked. Clean configuration.
The sky truly belongs to her again. Unbelievable.
Raptor 1, impressive pass. Maintain altitude.
Every movement fluid, precise. She's a dancer in the sky. Past and present, flying together. A testament to engineering's enduring spirit.
Under this sky, she feels truly alive again. A privilege to fly.
Raptor 1 cleared to land runway 27. Welcome home.
Touchdown! Smooth as silk.
Welcome back, Raptor 1. An incredible flight. From the deep to the sky, a legend lives again.